In this problem, we are given a triangle. Then the angles are in the ratio 1:2:3. We're going to determine the ratio of the corresponding sides. So let us begin. So first, since it's given here that the angles are in the ratio 1:2:3, we can consider let x, 2x, and 3x be the angles of our triangle, such that we can find out the value of x. So x plus 2x plus 3x. So the sum of the angles, interior angles, will sum up to 180 degrees. So we'll get 6x equals to 180 degrees. So we have x equals to 30 degrees. Now that we have the values of x, we can also find out the value of 2x, the second angle, which will be 60 degrees, and the third angle will be 90 degrees. So what we'll do, we'll consider that let this be angle x. Then we have angle 2x, and this is angle 3x. Now, the side opposite to angle x, we will be denoting it the letter A in lowercase. And the side opposite to 2x will be denoted by the letter B. Side opposite to 3x will be denoted by the letter C. Now here we can specify the law of sines. The law of sines states that if we take the side A and divide it by the sine of the angle opposite to it, which is x, this will be equals to B over sine 2x. So 2x is the angle opposite to side B, and this is also equals to the ratio of side C to that of sine of the angle opposite to C. So that's 3x. We can say that A is to B is to C will be equals to sine x is to sine 2x is to sine 3x. Now x is 30 degrees, so we'll get sine 30 degrees. To sine 2x, which is 60 degrees, with sine 90 degrees. Now we'll use the value. So sine 30, that's half. Sine 60, that's square root of 3 over 2. And sine 90, that's 1. Since this is a ratio, we can multiply throughout by 2. And we'll get 1 is to square root of 3 is to 2. So that means the sides of the triangle are in the ratio 1 is to square root of 3 is to 2. So that's the final answer.